Hi all, welcome to MS Excel Academy. Today we will see XLOOKUP with 4 different examples. For a basic XLOOKUP, we need the lookup value, which is what to search, lookup array, which is where to search, and return array, which will be the result. Let's start with first example, which is exact match. We have a data set which contains country name, country code, currency, and calling code. With XLOOKUP, we will get the name of the country with calling code as the lookup value. Exact match returns value only when the whole value is found. And when we come to approximate match in example 2, we will see how it is different from exact match. We will type the formula and first we will select the lookup value, which is cell B17. Then we will select the range where we should search our lookup value. And then we will select the range which should be returned as an answer. Here it is. We have got the answer and now we will try to change the lookup value. If you are already aware of VLOOKUP, you would know that in VLOOKUP, your search column should be in the left of the data and return value right to that column. However, that is not the requirement in XLOOKUP. Let's go to the second example now. Approximate match. So in current example, we have a table which shows marks and rank against those marks. With approximate match, we will set up XLOOKUP so it will return rank for marks mentioned in cell B17. We will start the same way, select lookup value, select the lookup range, select the return array, and now here is the most important part in match mode. We will write -1. Here 0 means exact match and is the default value. So if you do not write anything, Excel will automatically pick up 0 as the default in match mode. -1 and 1 are approximate match. -1 will return the smaller item and 1 will return the larger item. If you see our range of marks and rank, we want to return the smaller item. For example, if somebody has got say 15 marks, we want to return the next smaller item, which is 0 here. If we return the next higher item, then we will get rank as C instead of the current rank as F. Let's go and see the next example, returning multiple values. Now this is where XLOOKUP really shines. It can return more than one value while looking up. We are back to our country data and this time we will get country name and country code both together with one formula. We will again start the same way, select lookup value, lookup range, and when we select return array, we will select what columns we want as the answer. Here we will select country name and country code. So the range B8 to C13. And here we have multiple values returned with single formula. Alright, it's time for our final example, where we see how to write a custom value if XLOOKUP doesn't find our lookup value in the data. We will start with a simple XLOOKUP and we will see what happens if our data is not found. So here we get a NA. Now we will edit the formula and in if not found, we will write our desired value in double quotes. I will write as data not available. Now if XLOOKUP couldn't find our lookup value, it will be returned as data not available instead of NA. You can also do this with if error, but this is built in within the XLOOKUP formula. So we saw 4 different examples in XLOOKUP today and learned XLOOKUP can look up data to the right or left of lookup values. XLOOKUP can return multiple results. XLOOKUP can do exact match as well as approximate match. Note, XLOOKUP works only with Microsoft Office 365.